going to give you a brief information on solar panel, working of solar panel, benefits of solar panel. As we all know, there are mainly three types of solar power systems: grid type, off-grid and backup power system. Here is a quick summary of the differences between them. Off-grid solar is designed to bring power to remote the locations where there is no grid access. Off-grid solar systems require a battery bank to store the energy that your panels produce. They are often paired with a generator so that they provide backups during long stretches without sunlight. A backup power system includes many grids, but also it includes many batteries. It is also known as hybrid systems or energy storage systems. Mainly, it is provided backups when the sunlight is not there. With the rapid advancements of technology in the field of solar energy, more and more people have started installing the solar power system. Of the several types of different systems installed across the globe, the on-grid solar power system is the most widely chosen one. What is on-grid solar? On-grid solar power system is a solar power generation system where it is connected to the utility grid. The electricity is then routed to the grid from where it is used to run the various appliances. The installation of the same is also fuss free and easy to maintain. How does the on-grid solar power system works? The arrangement of solar modules absorbs the sunlight on them and converts them into electricity. Then the solar inverter converts this direct current into alternating current AC, thus making it power the electrical items. This is then routed to the grid from where it is used in day-to-day life. And another important feature is a net meter. It records the energy that is supplied to the grid and the energy consumed. At the end of each month, the outstanding is recorded and the consumer is provided with a bill. Thank you.
Now I am going to tell you some benefits of on-grid solar. First, zero electricity bills. Though the solar power system is connected to the grid, the consumer has to pay only for the surplus electricity he consumes. The bill generated on a monthly basis determines whether the consumer has any payments to be made. However, at the same time, if consumer utilizes less electricity, the excess is fed back in the grid. Second, easy maintenance. The on-grid solar power system has least number of parts along with simple installation. The elimination of batteries makes the maintenance quite easy. Third, passive income generation. With a connection to the grid, the consumer has to pay for the surplus electricity he generated. It not only eliminates your electricity bills but also avails the cost benefits for the excess electricity generated. Solar power has several benefits which notably include reduction in electricity cost and usage. However, there are other benefits that depend on the type of system you choose. Thank you.
As a renewable source of power, solar energy of power. Solar energy has an important role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change, which is critical to protecting humans, wildlife, and ecosystem. Solar energy can also improve the air quality and reduce water used from energy production. The problems with fossil fuels. We get most of energy by burning coal and other fossil fuels. This process emits carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas. Once it reaches the atmosphere, it says there for thousands of years. This traps carbon dioxide and extra heat the global system, which then changes the climate. How solar panels help to reduce global warming. This is where solar panels come in. When it comes to solar panels and climate change, the sun offers a clean form of energy, while some emissions are released while manufacturing, installing, maintaining, dismantling solar energy systems. But the amount is very small as compared to the emissions created by coal, oil, and natural gas. As a result, solar energy reduces a carbon footprint. It generates power while giving off zero emissions. Benefits of solar panels. The connection between solar panels and climate change goes deeper as well. In addition to reduce our carbon footprint and decreasing our dependence on fossil fuels, solar energy offers the following environmental benefits. Coal, oil, and natural gas involve mining and combustion. This releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which increase air pollution and leads to the climate change. Solar panels rely only on the sun, so no fossil fuels are needed, which reduce air pollution. Thank you.
But for you, for your children, and for your grandchildren, it will be very important that we live in this planet to make life possible for all the generations that will come. So you, with the presentation today, yes, you are in common with many other young people all over the world, in Germany, in England, in Switzerland, in Austria, in Africa. All, let's say, all what you have said now to your companions is very important. Yes, to make life a future. So I'm really happy to hear this, and I will stop here because I'm really impressed by this, what you have done. Because this is only, let's say, the solar power is only a small thing what we can do, but it will change our mind, yeah? Not of the elderly, of the man, of mine, of the fathers. It's difficult that they change their mind, but you have to change their mind. What is consumed, what you eat, what you travel, all our lifestyle, yeah, to make future possible for all humankind. This is, let's say, the first step. But you did so well, and I'm so happy that you did this. So thank you very much, and I will give the microphone to Miss Elizabeth because she can also give a few words to you of thanks.
I'm also very impressed. I was saying to Klaus, I really have no idea about solar energy. I also think it's a good thing, but that's pretty much it. And I also want to say, I think it's very brave of you to stand there, speak in English to all of us. I really appreciate it that you spoke to us. We understand you. That's very nice. So thank you for all of you. And I think you're probably not the only ones who have learned about solar energy, but you as well. So yeah, thanks for teaching us this, and I think it's cool that the girls are standing here and speaking to us, yeah? Just so, okay. Yeah, and thanks for the welcome. Honestly, like the clapping and everything, I'm never, like all this attention we're getting from all of you all the time. While we are here to thank you for all you're doing and for all the stuff that you're showing us and all the new things that we are learning, for coming here to India. So I think that's, it's always, oh, thank you, Father Klaus, thank you, Ms. Elizabeth. But really for us, it's like, thank you to everybody that we're meeting here, because it's really interesting for us. And I think it's also a good thing we'll come back to Germany and we will be able to tell about the life of the people here and what we have learned and what we see. So it's not just, us coming to you, but we are also taking a tiny bit of you back home. So thank you.
Dear Father Klaus, dear Father Stan, dear Father Orwell, and Miss Elizabeth, we are immensely grateful to you to get our school 10 kilowatts of photovoltaic power generating system, each in 3 of our institutions in Shrirampur. Without your financial help, we would not have been able to see this happening over here. This will not only help to reduce the electricity bill, but will also motivate us to do something more for our common home, our Mother Earth. By making this demonstration model, we learned about various types of solar panel power system and how they are actually installed and how they are going to help our Mother Earth, the one who nurtures all. I would like to thank Ebenezer, Sai and Prathamesh who helped me to build this model. Also, I would like to thank Nidhi, Ashba and Mehak for the presentation. I would like to thank Bhushan sir for guiding us in gaining awareness about sustainable models of daily living and development. Thank you very much. I would like to thank dear Father Klaus for helping us. May God bless you in all the things you do for us and to care for our common home. I would like to thank dear Father Titus for helping us to build this model. Thank you and have a nice day.